In this video, we'll show you how to set up your new Garmin Instinct 3 Tactical Edition Adventure Watch. The steps will apply to both the AMOLED and Solar editions. In this video, we'll be using an Instinct 3 Tactical AMOLED Edition. Before getting started, Garmin recommends fully charging the watch before heading out on your adventure. Pro tip: for longer adventures, you can always keep your charging cable handy to charge up on the go. You can even use a UL licensed power bank or connect directly to your compatible smartphone to charge. To power on your watch, press and hold the control button on the top left. Use the up and down buttons on the left side of the watch to scroll through the language options. Then press the GPS button on the upper right to select your language. Next, we'll pair your compatible smartphone with your watch. Select the check mark to begin. Using your smartphone's camera, scan the QR code. If you already have the Garmin Connect application on your smartphone, scanning this code will direct you to the device search screen. For new customers, scanning this code will direct you to install the Garmin Connect application. Once the download is complete, open the Garmin Connect app. Select Sign In if you already have a Garmin Connect account. In this video, we will be creating a new account. Select Create Account. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter your information. For new or existing customers, select Connect It when the app recognizes your watch. Allow the Garmin Connect app access to your watch. Your watch will now display a 6-digit code that you will need to confirm in the Garmin Connect app. You can also allow access to your contacts and call history. Select Pair. Then follow the on-screen prompts to set up your user preferences. To complete the app setup, select Finish. The app will offer to guide you through enabling key features and services. You can choose to proceed with the app or dismiss. Now that your watch and smartphone are paired, your watch will display the watch face with the date and time. Now let's talk about the button overview of your new Instinct 3 Tactical Edition. The watch has 5 buttons. Each button can be pressed or held for different actions. The watch screen has a label for the press function inside the screen. The outside bezel has the label for the hold function. Let's start with the light control button on the top left of the watch. Pressing and holding this button will power on your watch. While your watch is on, pressing this button will turn the screen on or off. For solar models, pressing this button will turn the backlight on or off. Holding this button will show the controls menu. The controls menu provides quick access to frequently used functions, such as Do Not Disturb, Stealth Mode, Night Vision settings, and turning the watch off. You can also access the built-in torch flashlight by quickly pressing the light button twice. To learn more about this feature, see our Controls and Hotkeys video. Let's move to the GPS button on the top right of the watch. Press this button to view the activities and apps list. We will cover the activity list more later in this video. You can also press the GPS button to select on-screen options. Hold the GPS button to view GPS dual grid coordinates. You can press the GPS button again to save your location. Next, the Back Set button is on the bottom right of the watch. Holding this button will show the clock menu. Pressing this button will return you to the previous screen. The Down ABC button is on the bottom left of the watch. Press this button to scroll through the glance loop and menus. To learn more about your glance loop, see our Customizing the Watch Face and Widget Loop video. Hold this button to view the altimeter, barometer, and compass, also known as the ABC screen. The Up menu button is on the middle left side of the watch. Press this button to scroll through menus, such as the glance loop. Hold this button to view the menu. Here, you can customize the watch face, adjust settings, pair wireless sensors, and more. Now let's cover the Activities and Apps list. To access it, press the GPS button from the watch face. A preset list of activities will be set up for your device. Scroll down and select Add to add more activities. Scroll down and select the activities to add to your list. Then place the activity in your favorites list. To open an activity, press the GPS button. Press the GPS button again to start the activity once your activity acquires a GPS signal. And that's it. Your Garmin Instinct 3 Tactical Edition Adventure Watch is now set up. To learn more about your watch, please subscribe to our Garmin Support YouTube channel and visit support.garmin.com.